Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Here I want to present my presentation about film genre and country of origin preference. My name is Hafiz Ramadan from Startercom 2024 UNES, and my last three-digit number is 008. Introduction. Point number one. Films reflect societal values and communicate message. Point number two, analyzing preference help filmmaker and streaming platform align with audience expectation. Study objective, determine which genre student prefer most. Point number two, rank their favorite countries of origin. Point number three, use survey insight to guide content strategy. Next is respondent demographics. For respondent is 28 participant uh, for age 16 to 19 is 24 participants, and for age 20 to 25 is 4 participants. Next is methodology. Point number one, quantitative analysis is percentage distribution and mode. Point number two, focus on genre and country of origin. Next, detailed age analysis. Point number one, most respondents, 85.7% is age 16 to 19. Point number two, only 14.3% age 20 to 25. Point number three, implication. Content tailored for younger audience may be more impactful. Next, respondent insight. Point number one, younger viewers, 16 to 19, dominate preference. Point number two, high consumption of mobile streaming platform. Point number three, for youth-oriented content development. Next, genre preference summary. 25% for action, 17.86% for horror, 14.29% for thriller, 10.71% for fantasy. Another genre is drama, romance, comedy, and animation. Next, action genre insight. Point number one, most popular genre. Point number two, known for adrenaline stunts and dynamic visuals. Point number three, appeals across age groups. Next, horror genre insight. Point number one, strong emotional and psychological impact. Point number two, use of suspense, fear, and surprise hooks. Point number three, highly engaging. engaging. Uh, Next, thriller and fantasy insight. Point number two, point number one, sorry, for thriller is tension, surprise, and intellectual hooks. Point number two for fantasy is escapist, escapism, imaginative storytelling, and visuals. Next is genre popularity implication. Point number one, action film dominate to due to universal appeal. Point number two, horror emotional engagement attracts thrill-seeking viewers. Point number three, high potential for building genres. Next, psychological appeal of horror and thriller. Point number one, triggers adrenaline and emotional release. Point number two, strong community and social media engagement. Point number three, ideal for viral marketing and discussion. Next, niche genre opportunities. Point number one, drama, romance, comedy, and animation have niche audience. Point number two, opportunities for targeted storytelling. Next, country and of origin summary. Point number one, USA or Hollywood is 39.29%. Point number two, South Korea is 28.57%. Point number three, Indonesia is 21.43%. Next, Hollywood advantage. Number one, high budget, advantage technology, and global appeal. Point number two, star power and distribution strength. Next, case study, Korean film success. Point number one, example is Parasite, Train to Busan, and The Call. Point number two, strong character and cultural terms. Point number three, global awards and recognition. Next, case study, Indonesian film growth. Point number one, example, Pengabdi Setan. And nanti kita cerita tentang hari ini. Point number two, increase investment in quality production. Point number three, terms root in local identity with universal relevance. Next, global versus local film trends. Point number one, Hollywood sets international standard. Point number two, Korean content show increasing global integration. Point number three, Indonesian film gaining domestic appreciation and pride. Next, rest of Korean film and media. Point number one, high quality production and relatable stories. Point number three, K-wave influence in Indonesia. Next, trend of Indonesian cinema. Point number one, third in preference. Point number two, improving production and storytelling. Point number three, support from streaming platforms. Next, content strategy suggestion. Point number one, explore cross-genre storytelling. Point number two, use analytics to understand emerging micro-genre. Point number three, monitor social media trend for content ideation. Next is interactive audience engagement. Point number one, polling and live reaction for horror and thrillers. Number two, localization strategies for global formats. Number three, interactive streaming and choose your own adventure formats. Next, industry implication. Global and local content both in demand. Opportunities for creative exploration and collaboration. Next is future outlook for filmmakers. Point number one, local creators should invest in storytelling innovation. Point number two, collaboration across countries offer new audience access. Point number three, balance cultural identity with global appeal. Next, strategic recommendation. Point number one, avoid generic marketing. Point number two, use data-driven and personalized approach. Point number three, focus on demographic insight. Next, conclusion. Point number one, action and Hollywood dominate preference. Point number two, diverse genre and origin interest merging. Point number three, big opportunities for local and global creators. And this is for reference. Thank you for attention. Final reflection. Cinema continues to evolve with audience insight. Creative diversity is both a challenge and opportunity. Survey data should inform, not replace artistic vision. And that's all about my presentation. Thank you.